Dip them in the sauce here. Woo, buddy, come on. So I saw on the news this morning that McDonald's is bringing back their chicken snack wrap and that people are patiently waiting for this snack wrap to come back. I looked at the ingredients and I was thinking, well, as these people are waiting for it to come back, we could probably just make this at home. And then, you know, it's probably a healthier version because you know exactly what you're using, the ingredients that you're using, how you're cooking it. So let me check out some of these ingredients. We're just gonna make this joker at home, okay? Look at this, 8 minutes. Air fried these chicken tenders in the air fryer for 8 minutes at 350. This is so quick. Man, look at those. Check that out. I ended up going with these right here. I saw these as well. Anytime I can find buffalo style, anything with a little spice, I'll grab them. So look at these right here. So I said, man, I gotta go with the buffalo style. If I can get a little spice in there, might as well go with it. I added the broccoli slaw in there. I also made instead of getting that buttermilk ranch, I went ahead and made my own. So it is so simple. All you have to do, just use a tablespoon or two of fat-free yogurt. And then this is that ranch seasoning. Get this and keep it in stock, okay? Because you're gonna use it. I use a few splashes of lime juice. And then, this is the little secret here, especially if you like spices, all right? Add this into the mix. All you do is just add it right here, just mix it up. And I already put this on the tortilla, so you can put it on afterwards, but what I did was I put it on the tortillas before I put the chicken on. While the chicken was still cooking, got the tortillas ready, put the sauce on, put the broccoli slaw on top, and then when the chicken was, and I even added a little bit of cheese, and then when the chicken was ready, I put the warm chicken on top of all that, added the rest of the cheese on top, and then while I was waiting, I went ahead and mixed me a little more sauce because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna roll these jokers up and I'm gonna use this as a dipping sauce. All it is fat-free yogurt and seasoning. It tastes amazing. You gotta try this sauce. Try this out because I can guarantee you this does not have 12 grams of fat in it like that buttermilk we saw at the store. So you just gotta, you know, if you like something, try to make it at home and just taste it, see what else you can add to it, but just to keep the calories under control, especially if you're trying to make a change, you need to really watch those hidden calories because like I said, with that, you know, if you get that buttermilk sauce at Mickey D's or anywhere else, they're not gonna give you one serving. You're probably gonna get a few servings. You're probably gonna eat it all, and it's really gonna throw your calories off, okay? So make it at the house. That's what I choose to do, is make all this at the house. So now I can have my snack wraps anytime I want in under 10 minutes, okay? So put these in the air fryer, fry them up for 8 minutes. While you're doing that, prepare everything else, set it on top, roll it up, and it's good to go. This right here, this plate right here, 40 grams of protein right there in under 10 minutes. You cannot beat that. And look at that, it smells great. You made it at home. You can make it anytime. You got a whole bag of them, so you can make them anytime. And you don't have to worry about going to McDonald's. Like I said, if you go to McDonald's, you're more likely to get some French fries. You're probably gonna get something to drink that's not going to help you in the weight loss category, I guess you could say. So just think about that. Try to make as much as you can at home. And this is what I like to do. If I see something, I'm like, you know what? I can probably make that at the house. I can make it healthy. It's gotta be healthier than what they're using at McDonald's. I don't know what exactly they're using, but I know what I'm cooking. I know I can track this and I know exactly what I'm eating. Plus, you can eat more of it because it just stays in the freezer. You make this sauce anytime you want. Keep the broccoli slaw. You can add that with beef, with chicken, other meals that you want to use. I use these tortillas because they're super duper soft. You have to check them out. Highly recommend them. If you don't want to use those tortillas, use anything you want or just have it by itself. You can do that as well. You can make a salad out of it. I mean, however you want to do it, you just got to make better choices that'll help you in your fitness journey. Hopefully this will help you out, give you another idea. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you're gonna try this out or you're gonna hit up Mickey D's and go get theirs. But let me know what you think. Like, subscribe. If you like videos like this, I'll keep making them, showing you what I eat, showing you everything I do. And I'm just trying to help. Hopefully this stuff helps you out. And let me know if it does. Give me a like, give me a subscribe. I really appreciate it. And let's keep getting better. I'm gonna go eat these. Let's get better, come on.